Welcome back to UltraRide Zone. Off-road icons, drop everything. Toyota just launched the 2026 Land Cruiser LX, and it's the ultimate adventure beast everyone's craving. Finally here, bolder, more powerful, and loaded with hybrid muscle that shocks the world. If you want legendary capability with modern efficiency and timeless style, this is your moment. Let's rip through every hot detail right now. Go. Important note before we continue. Everything here comes straight from Toyota's fresh reveal and early specs. A few final numbers could still shift before deliveries, so treat this as red-hot preliminary intel. We'll slam the official updates the second they drop. Outside, total legend reborn. Boxy retro lines, Toyota Heritage grille, round or rectangular LED spy trim, flared fenders, 20-inch wheels, and new colors like Heritage Blue that pop hard. More planted and aerodynamic than the 2025 pure adventure presence. Power: the iForce Max Hybrid Turbo 2.4-liter 4-cylinder cranks 326 horses and 465 lb-ft of torque. Torquey low-end shove for trails, estimating 23 miles per gallon combined. Quicker and thriftier than the old V8's thirsty runs. Off-road: unstoppable. Full-time 4WD with low range, locking center/rear diffs, crawl control, multi-terrain monitor, 8.7 inches clearance. Dominates mud, rocks, snow way better than the 2025 without losing on-road poise. Inside, premium expedition lounge. 12.3-inch touchscreen plus digital cluster, leather-trimmed seats, JBL audio, panoramic roof, and a cabin quieter with better materials. Cargo massive at 63 cubic feet folded, roomier and techier than past models. Pricing starts around $57,000 for 1958, higher trims near $63,000, value that crushes Defender or Bronco. Closing reminder: all preliminary, final EPA coming soon. We're locked on it. So, is the 2026 Land Cruiser the reborn adventure beast we've all craved? Smash like if you're obsessed, subscribe for every launch, and comment hybrid torque or bust. Then jump straight to my just dropped 2026 Mitsubishi Montero, rugged beast everyone's been waiting for reveal. Links right there. Thanks for riding with UltraRide Zone. See you on the next one.